Hi, I'm George. Did you ever accidentally lose files on your computer? Maybe you deleted them by accident, or maybe you had a computer crash, or something else happened and you lost files? Well, I have a solution for you. And I want to show you how you can recover deleted or lost data on your computer using Tenorshare's 4DDiG data recovery software. Before we get to that though, right now there's a sale going on. I'll click on the sale button right here. This runs through January 6th for up to 75% off. Let's just see where we're at this point. Come down here just a little bit. Right here. Okay, 60% off clear through December 31st, or the first week of January is going to be 50% off. If you miss these dates, don't worry. I've got you covered with 30% off at any time, and I'll tell you more about that in just a bit. But first off, let's take a quick look through here. There's a drawing. First, share the page on social media, and then enter your email. Click on go. Little spinning wheel right here, and you can win one of numerous prizes. And there's also a special offer right down here for the Tenorshare duplicate file deleter. Okay, let's see why you may need to use data recovery software. Right here I have a USB drive with three things on it. Here's a JPEG file. This is a thumbnail from one of my YouTube videos. Here's the actual YouTube video right here, MP4 file. And here are my notes for making the video. Let's say I was really stupid and I deleted all these things by accident. I'll do a permanent delete by holding down the Shift key and hitting the delete button. These will be permanently deleted, which means they're not going to be going into the recycle bin. I can't easily recover them that way. I'll choose yes. Okay, they're now gone. I can't get back to that. Now this drive I've used for transferring stuff between two computers. So there's a lot of stuff on here right now that has been deleted. It's not an empty drive by any means, but I can't get to anything. And this is one of those places where data recovery software can come in and really save your day. Okay, switch back to the website. There are lots of reasons why you may need to have data recovery software. Just scroll down here a little bit. Deleted files, I'll show you this in just a moment. Lost partition recovery, crash computer, raw file recovery, external device recovery, formatted drive recovery. So lots of ways that you can lose data on a computer is really easy to do. And sometimes it's very difficult to get that back again, especially if you deleted it and then emptied your trash can. And this is where Tenorshare 4DDiG comes in. Now you can recover over 1,000 different file types. I know they have in here what you're going to be missing: photos, video, audio, office documents, email, other files, almost anything you can think of. You also can repair damaged video. It will scan and match video fragments, merge fragments into the same video, recover and repair different file type formats, and recover corrupted videos from cameras and camcorders. And it will work with computers, laptops, memory cards, USB flash drives, memory sticks, CD, DVD, high-def DVD, pretty much anything you can think of. And the Windows version runs on Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, and 7. Plus there's a Mac version as well if you're on a Macintosh. Okay, let's do a practical demonstration and see exactly what this will do for you. The first thing we need to do is to download and install the software. You can do a free download. This will allow you to do the search of your computer hard drive or removable drive, but you won't be able to do any repair work. So we'll go to the Buy Now button right here. Notice that it's available for Windows or for the Mac. It's right down there. Here we go. Now there are three basic licenses. 1 month is $46, 1 year is $56, lifetime is only $4 more than the 1 year license. So it's really worthwhile to go for the lifetime license on this. During the limited time sale, you can get 50% off with this code right here. And if this is gone, I'll show you how to get the 30% off. So click on Buy Now. Here we go. There's the normal price for that, lifetime I'm looking at. And then click on Redeem Coupon Code. Now this is in the description, so let's go ahead and copy that from the description, and let's see what this will bring it down to. And I'll paste that in and update. There we go, brings it down from $59 down to $41. Takes almost $18 off the price with that coupon code. And this 30% off coupon is good whenever if you miss the end of year sale. Okay, I've already downloaded and installed this, so let's switch over to my desktop and we'll see how this works. And there we go. So first thing you'll do is simply choose the device you want to recover from, or you can go to Common Locations, Desktop, Recycle Bin, or select Folder. You can recover from a crashed computer or do a photo or video repair as well. These are different repair options from the basic recovery option. So we have our drive choice. Click on Start. You can choose what file types to recover. I know I don't have any audio on there. I'm just going to unselect that. I don't need other because we have a photo, a video, and a document that I know of that it's been deleted. So we'll scan for that. And the first thing it's going to be doing is to do a fast scan, and it's going to switch through to see what it's found that matches those specifics. Two ways of looking at this. There's a tree view. We're seeing that right now. There's also a file view right over here. It found something in photo, it found something in video, it found something in document. That's what it's been looking for, so that's all working fine. Now in here you can click on this down arrow. It's found JPEG files so far, 32 of those, a whole bunch in here. As I said, there's a lot of stuff on my drive. And right here, that's the file that we deleted right there. I've already found one of them, so it's doing pretty well. Let's look at video, MP4. There we go, it's found that. Let's take a look in document in here. And it's an RTF file, and that's right there. So it's already found the 3 files that I lost. So I'll just go ahead and I'll stop this. You can either pause or stop at any point to stop your scanning. Choose yes. If you haven't found your files, you can use a deep scan, which is right down here. But we found our files, we're okay. I'll just check that one, and we'll go up here and we'll check that one right here. And we'll go up into photo and the JPEG, and my file is right there. That's the one. Those are the 3 files I want. Let's choose recover. Now you need to recover to a location that's not in the same location as you're starting from. So what I've done is I've set up a new folder on my C drive. I just named it recover right here, and I'll choose recover. It's going to recover into that location. That makes your recovery safe, so it's not going to a potentially damaged partition or location on your drive or on your removable drive. Okay, recovery complete. Let's view our recovered files. There's my recover folder. There's a 4DDiG folder inside there and a dated folder for this date. Go into all files. There's my document RTF right here. That's fine. Let's go back. Here's the photo JPEG right there. That's my thumbnail. That looks good. Into video, MP4, and there's a video file. So we recovered all 3 of those files successfully, as you can see right there. So it does a great job. Now when you're done, just click on Home. Go back here to the home page for the program, and we have 3 more things you can do down here. You can recover from a crashed computer. Now to do this, you'll need 3 items. You need a second computer to work from, you need a blank USB stick, and you'll also need to have an external drive that you can plug into your crashed computer. You'll format that USB stick as a bootable USB. You can then use that to boot into your crashed computer. It has the 4DDiG data recovery software already included to recover the lost files on your crashed computer and then save those off onto that external drive. With the photo repair option, it can sharpen up out of focus or soft focus photos. It can help to depixelate photos. It can also work with photos that have some glitches in there, damages in there, as if they were that old or bad when they were recovered. Do the same thing over here for video repair. And this can help to bring back videos that need just a little more help to get all the way back to a fully working file. Once again, here is the download. You can give it a free download and do a scan. And then if it has actually found files for you, you can then make your purchase at that point to recover those files. And don't forget, right now, for a limited time, there is a Christmas sale going on right here. And if you miss that Christmas sale, you can still get 30% off at any time using the code that I have listed down there in the description. I've already added the 4DDiG Windows Data Recovery program into my standard toolkit. I recommend you do the same thing, and I'll see you next time.